Hey there, my name is John from Mancini, Sleepworld on Stevens Creek, and today we're going to go over unboxing a mattress. It's always nice to have a friend though, but for all you people at home who are just living far away, it's still pretty simple to do on your own. So basically, once you pull all the lids off the box, this thing just slides on down. You flip it over, slide it on top, off the top. And a little pro tip I like to give people is when you take the mattress out of the bag, before you have it expanded, cutting it to open that seal, roll it on top of your platform. Boom, boom. So that way it expands on top of your base. Grab my little handy dandy scissors here. We're gonna go and be very careful that when you are snipping these bags to not pierce the actual mattress itself. So I'm just gonna go carefully off the top. Perfect. Once you get your groove on, just roll the sucker out. Ooh. All right, that's one layer down. Another fun fact is to make sure the mattress is the right side up. So we're gonna put this over. You can definitely tell because there's a little label that says this side up. You can start hearing the hissing of the mattress starting to inflate. We're gonna give it a little help by snipping the bag. Come back this side and just rip this plastic off. Got some free pillows. And boom. So once your Nectar mattress is outside of its bag, give it about a few minutes for the mattress to expand. If you like, you can give it a little help by actually putting your knee on it. It helps the mattress fully expand once pressure is placed and removed. It also helps with the off-gassing as well. All right, so now, even though your mattress is about ready to go to sleep on within the first 30 minutes, after 30 minutes of it being open, as you can see, it's still pretty much working to get expanded. The whole aesthetic look of the mattress will come about 48 hours, up to 48 hours after the initial opening, but it is ready to go. So that way you can start enjoying your mattress from day one.